How to pay EFT on Capitec app. Follow these instructions. Open the Capitec app and securely log in using your username, PIN, or biometric authentication to access your banking dashboard. From the main menu, tap on Payments, then select EFT or Electronic Funds Transfer to start transferring funds. Choose the account you want to pay from, such as your savings or transactional account within the Capitec app. Carefully enter the recipient's bank details, including bank name, branch code, and account number to ensure accuracy. Input the amount you wish to transfer, and add an optional reference or payment message if you want to include one. Review all the payment details thoroughly before confirming and authorizing the EFT transaction to avoid errors. Wait for a confirmation screen or SMS notification that verifies your payment was processed successfully by Capitec. Thank you for watching.